Kind of chaos she causes. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Thing's an animal, y'all. Some paddles. Right on that rock again. Oh no. Let's see what that doing. 12S. 12S. Oh my God. No. This thing's nuts, y'all. God dang, it's a handful. What? Get the hell out of here. What? Oh my gosh, that slapped down so hard. What do you think, y'all? This thing's nuts. That's gonna do it around here though. Too many cars, too many people. Anyway, y'all, I love you. Think about subscribing if you're not already. We'd love to have you on board. You see what we do. We play with crazy 5T monstrosities like this. 12S beast, flipping stuff, shenanigans. Front flip challenge about to go download. Hopefully we win that for once, because we know we just nailed a monster fronty. That was huge. So with that being said, we love you. Please like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out, y'all. All right, y'all, we love you. Peace out.